Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I'll show you how to create dynamic dashboards in Salesforce quickly and easily. First, open your Salesforce dashboard and click the app launcher icon in the top left corner. Next, type dashboards into the search bar and hit enter, then select the dashboard you want to make dynamic and click edit. After that, click the gear icon to open the dashboard properties. Look for the view dashboard as setting. To complete the setup, choose one of the three options. Me, viewers see data based on their own permissions. Another user, all viewers see the dashboard from a specific user's perspective. Dashboard viewer. Each viewer sees data tailored to their own access level. Once you've selected the right option, click Save. Now make sure the dashboard folder is shared with the right users. If they don't have access to the folder, they won't be able to view the dashboard. And that's it. You've successfully created a dynamic dashboard in Salesforce. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel, and I'll see you in the next video.